Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to manage multiple listings on eBay. To do that, we will need to use our browsing system, so open your preferred browser and search for Seller Hub eBay and open this official website of eBay, eBay Seller Hub. Here you may need to log into your account, and here you see several sections, so it's orders, listings and more. We need our listings and go to active listings. So here you see that we have opened the page Manage Active Listings, and here unfortunately, as you can see, I don't have any active listings. But anyway, so you need to choose this tool, and here you should see bulk edit. So this bulk edit tool will allow you to edit multiple listings at once. So instead of doing each listing, adjusting each listing, you can do it all in once. So here should be bulk edit. So by using this bulk editing, you can adjust price, shipping terms, quantities, or return policies. Again, as I said, across several items at once. So that's basically how you can manage multiple listings on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.